Upgrade your kitchen with the GE Drawer Dishwasher at Appliance Home Store.
We've got options for everything you need. Full-size dinner plates, deep bowls and stock pots, 7 place settings per drawer. That's 14 total, without compromise. And with Wi-Fi powered by Smart HQ, you're always connected. Customize cycles, monitor progress, and control it all from anywhere. Microban antimicrobial technology helps prevent the growth of odor-causing bacteria on handles, silverware caddies, and filters. And with Whisper Quiet Performance, cleanup happens without disrupting your space or your evening. It fits your kitchen, it fits your routine. Double drawers, double clean.
Same or next day delivery and financing available. Appliance Home Store, where we make your home better.